What is natural makeup? If you are new to my channel, my name is OHEMAA. Welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, hey! I know that natural makeup means different things to different people. I want to go ahead and show you one version of natural makeup that I like to do on the days that I feel like I don't really want to go through the hassle of doing my makeup, but I also don't want to just have a bare face. I'm also excited to let you know that Kohl's is our partner for today's video. I'm going to tell you a little bit about Sephora at Kohl's and also just to show you the products I use that you can actually pick up at your local Kohl's. Just know that everything I use in this video will be tagged right here or down below, so definitely go ahead and check it out. Let's jump into the video. So I partnered with Kohl's to let you know that Sephora is now at Kohl's, and all the products I'm going to be using in the skincare portion you can find online at kohls.com or Kohl's in stores. First, I like to go in with my superfood cleanser by Youth to the People. I use a cleanser round to help me get rid of my whiteheads and the texture on my skin. If you find that you have texture and whiteheads on your face after you cleanse your skin, definitely look into these two products. They're gonna get you right. Next, I'm going with the Tatcha, the Rice Polish Deep. This is an enzyme cleanser. It helps with the blackheads and the whiteheads on a deeper level, and it helps even out your skin tone as well. I like to go ahead and just dab my skin so that my skin is not too dry when I go in with the rest of my products, but also not soaking wet. Next, I'm going with this 2% BHA exfoliant from Paula's Choice. I absolutely love this because it has salicylic acid in it, and if I don't use it for a few days, my skin will break out because ever since I was a teenager, salicylic acid has been what helps me keep my acne at bay. I love this Pharmacy Wake Up Honey Eye Cream. It contains vitamin C, and when I put it around my eyes, it's helping me fight the hyperpigmentation and the dark circles. I just put whatever excess is left on my face because yes, our skin and our face needs vitamin C. I have been loving this Pharmacy Honey Halo Moisturizer. It is not oily. It hydrates my skin to where after a few hours my skin is not feeling dry. I love it. Next, I'm going in with the Tatcha Kiss You Lip Mask because you don't want to start your makeup routine with a chapped lips like I always do. Like, it's not cute, okay? My absolute favorite new product that I have been using is this Shiseido Clear Sunscreen Stick. It is gorgeous on any skin tone. As you can see, it doesn't even look like I have anything on my skin. It doesn't feel like I have anything on my skin, and it doesn't look like I have anything on my skin. But trust you, this SPF 50 is protecting my skin from UV damage. Just know that all the products I showed you can find online at kohls.com or at Sephora at Kohl's, and yes, you can still earn your points for the purchases. It's very much like how you would earn the points at Sephora. Okay, now that the skincare is done and our skin is looking fabulous, okay, personally I have actually been loving the MAC Serumizer. This product actually made a lot of the products that I tried like stay onto my skin and look really fabulous at the end of it. So I like to put it on just to prep my skin for whatever makeup look I'm gonna go for. If you're gonna do natural makeup, you need a primer. Primers help whatever you put on top of it stay in place. I remember when I started doing makeup, I actually didn't know what a primer was. I hadn't used a primer. After I started using primers, my makeup never slid off my nose. So if you find that your makeup has been sliding off your face and you don't like what it's looking like after a few hours, definitely look into a primer. The Serumizer is actually a serum, but I like to put it down before I go in with any makeup at all. And because we're going for a natural looking makeup, I would want my skin to stay as moisturized as possible, because if my base is moisturized, I'm able to tweak and correct like my makeup anyhow I need it. And because if my skin is looking very much like my natural skin, I don't have to worry about any product looking out of place. I'm gonna go in with an actual primer. This is the Makeup Forever Hydra Boost Primer. It helps with hydration. One thing I like about this primer is it doesn't show whitish on dark skin, and as you can see, my skin looks really flawless. Next, I'm gonna go in with a brow gel. I personally feel like natural makeup does not need a big bold brow, and if you have brows, which I don't, definitely get a gel, because the brow gel will help whatever little brow hairs or whatever massive amount of brow hairs you have to stay in place. This is a Juvia's Place Eye Sculpt Eye Shade Brow Gel. I'm gonna go in with blush, okay? And I'm not doing any foundation, concealer, none of that. I'm just gonna go in with blush. This is the Patrick Ta Duo Blush. This is called She's Wanted, and I'm taking a little bit of the powder side, and I'm just going to apply it to my cheek just to give it a little bit of color. Remember, this is natural makeup, so we don't want anything that's gonna stand out and look too much. This is essentially skincare with a little bit of an oomph, okay? Okay, next we're gonna go in with our primer. This is a Dior Show Maximizer 3G. One thing that I found out once I started using this product is that it makes my lashes look really, really good. Go in with a waterproof mascara. I'm gonna apply it to the top of my lash and just roll inwards, okay? Just roll so I can coat every single lash. If I find that I have like a little faux pas with my mascara, I like to go in and just clean it, especially on my lower lash line. Because of how much my skin rolls in, my mascara tends to just transfer onto my skin. That way, all you're gonna see when I'm looking at you are my lashes and not the dark spots that my mascara created on my skin, okay? This is a Dior Lip Addict Gloss. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. There is zero complexion products on my skin right now. No concealer or setting powder or foundations was used in this look. This is from me showing you one variation of what I believe is natural makeup. Let me know down below in the comments. Do you think this meets the natural makeup criteria? What do you think? Let me know, okay? I personally love it. I just love the simple fact that my cheeks are slightly enhanced. My lashes look really flirty and really, really good. I don't have to worry about wiping anything off my face. I don't have to worry about anything. I look good, slightly enhanced, and ready for the day. Thank you so much for watching. Love you lots, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.